Hey warriors, welcome to the sixth episode of our series Linux Basics for Hackers. First of all, I'm really sorry since I've not uploaded any video from last 50 days, and we are back to our series Linux Basics for Hackers. If I'm right, the last video of fifth episode we saw Linux file hierarchy, and I guess we are clear on that. Now let us dive into terminal and check out command line interface. So first of all, open your Kali Linux machine simply, and thereafter we will open our terminal. Okay, just open it by clicking on the terminal icon, or you can just go over here, and from here you can just click on the apps, and from apps you can simply click on the terminal and it will open. Okay, so first of all, let me increase its size. To increase its size, I'll press Ctrl, and thereafter I'll keep pressing plus 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 to increase the size. I hope it is visible to you now. So first of all, let us see at the top. See, the codex is my username, okay, and Kali is my host name. These are two things. Thereafter, we have a dollar sign, which indicates that our terminal or command line interface is waiting for us to enter something. And for example, just let me enter host name. It is a command to display my host name, which we can see already. It is Kali. So this is the command, and when we enter this command, it will not run automatically. To implement this command, we have to just press enter, and once I press enter, you can see our host name has been written over here, which is Kali. So this is the basic command how it works, and let us move to another section, which is manual. What is manual? Suppose we are purchasing any new item, we get a manual page. What does it show? It show that how to use that item, right? So in Linux, we have a command for that, which is man. And after entering man, if you don't have any knowledge about any command which you are going to use, you can simply enter the name of that command. Okay. For example, in my case, I'm entering hostname. And if I press enter, you can see all the information about hostname command has been entered over here. Now you can see you can use hostname command to show or set the host system's host name. For example, right now we use hostname command to show it. You can even use the hostname command to set the system's hostname. So this is how it works. Thereafter we have synopsis in which we have syntax, and thereafter we have description, and you can see all sort of information over here. And this may look very hard for you, but it is very helpful. Okay. Now to quit this, we have to just press Q and we'll get outside. Okay. So now we need to understand some basic syntax. So for example, in that case, I'll just open manual page of ls command. Okay, I'll press enter. So in synopsis section, which is syntax, at the place of ls, just imagine that there is some command name, and thereafter we have option, and thereafter we have argument. Okay, no command name, I don't think I need to explain that. You have to simply enter any particular command, and thereafter in option section, we provide option, or you can say switch, which is used by dash, and thereafter we use some particular letters. For example, in case of ls, which I'll show you further, we can use dash a or dash l command. And thereafter, what is this option used for? Option is basically used to modify the command. Okay, I'll try to show you by using example. And thereafter we have argument. Argument says that this command will be implemented, or this command will operate on this particular argument. I'll show you using the example. To quit it, I'll simply press Q. Now I'll try to go with ls command. I should explain you ls command first. So what is ls command? Ls command stands for okay, let me open it again. Sorry, man ls. You can see ls command is used to list directory contents. Okay, I'll just quit it. Now if I press ls, simply just ls, and press enter, you can see we have 6 or 7 directory, which is desktop, document, downloads, music, pictures, public, templates, and videos, right? Now this all directory, or you can say subdirectory, are in my home section, right? Now to check that how many documents, or you can say subdirectory or files are in my documents folder, what will I do? I will not add any option, and I'll just press documents. I'll press tab to fill it automatically, and I'll just press enter. So you can see there is just one file named Causal. So how did it work? This is the ls. What is ls? Ls is basically the command name. Thereafter we have options. The option and arguments are not compulsory to enter. Okay, so we didn't enter option, and just we entered argument, which is document. So ls will operate on document. Under document, we can see we have causal file. So this is how this work. Okay, so we saw that how ls command operates. What is ls command? Ls command is used to list down content of that particular directory. Okay, now we can use options with ls command, which is used to modify the command, how it operates. For example, we can use ls dash l. What does l do? L does long listing of the directory. For example, if I press enter, you can see that all the directory, or you can say subdirectory, are listed here. But along with that, there are various information entered over here. So I'll not dive deep into that, but simply we understand that from here we can see, if here D is written, it indicates that it is a directory. If it is blank, it will indicate that it is a file. Okay. These are the permission, various read, write, and all those executable permission and all those kind of stuff. And color difference also matter. For example, if there was a file in this, it would have appeared in white color. For example, you can see over here in the Cosel, which is basically a file, it is in white color. So blue color indicates over here that it is a directory. So you can see over here, it is a group owner, or owner of the file. When was this file last modified? This all kind of information appears when we apply -l command. Now there are many files which are hidden. So for example, if you see over here, we have total 3. There is 6 to 8 directory or subdirectory, right? Now if we give option -a, so there are many commands which starts with I'm extremely sorry. There are many directories or subdirectories which starts with dot, that is period, and double dot. Okay, so these files doesn't appear when we use just command ls. So we have to use -a to make those file or subdirectories appear. So when we press enter, so you can see previously we were able to just see 8 files or directories, and now you can see there are many. Okay, so you can use the -a option, and you can also use ls and -a and -l. Instead of this, you can use direct -al. Now -a and -l both switch or option will operate all together. So now if we do that, you can see for all the files we have here option. In that case, you can see that this file is or this is a directory. So D is written, here dash is given, that means that this is a file. Okay, so you can see all it is a long listing. Along with that, the hidden files are also appearing here. So by this way we use ls command. And that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing to our channel, and from next video we will be regular. And see you next video, guys. Happy hacking. Bye bye.